Tonight, Pfizer says the COVID-19 vaccine is safe for kids, even going as far to call its success robust. The news is the next major step in keeping everyone safe from the virus. And THV11's Jay Jackson is joining us live outside Arkansas Children's Hospital with how local health officials and parents are reacting. Jay?
Well, first and foremost, guys, the Pfizer announcement does not mean that kids now ages 5 to 11 will be allowed to get the shot. Nope, it still has to be FDA approved for an emergency use. But still, even with this news, we got some mixed review.
I'm really skeptical on the whole situation. It kind of bothers me.
Allison Jones says she's been skeptical about the vaccine.
It's hard being a mother, trying to make the right decision because I want them to be healthy and I don't want them to get sick, but then I don't know if the vaccine might get them sick.
She got vaccinated back in January because of her job, but contracted COVID in June. It changed her mind on vaccines, but Jones says she's still worried about vaccinating her 14-year-old son.
So what if I make this decision for my son and then it comes out that something happens that we have side effects or he gets a side effect from it, and I feel like, I hurt him, or if he wouldn't have got the vaccine, I could have just kept him at home.
It's a tough decision for many parents, one that Jones may also have to make for her 7-year-old son. But at the same time, she's still torn over the safety of her youngest child.
Because that was the first thing I thought of was, I have a 4-year-old.
According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, while younger people are at lower risk of severe illness or death, more than 5 million children in the U.S. have tested positive for COVID. As of Monday, Arkansas Children says 14 children are receiving treatment for COVID.
Some of them are just hospitalized and requiring oxygen, but some of them are in the intensive care unit and mechanically ventilated because of COVID respiratory failures.
Dr. Rick Barr with Children's also says if and when approved by the FDA for emergency use, they plan to start offering the vaccine for that younger age group.
The side effect profile from the vaccine is very, very safe in adults, kids, and I'm sure that's what the FDA is going to be looking at closely before approval.
Again, guys, Pfizer has to get that approval from the FDA for an emergency use. Meanwhile, Moderna is also conducting a study with its vaccine on younger kids as well. Stay with us with THV11 as we bring you the latest updates and developments following this story. Reporting live here in Little Rock, Jay Jackson, THV11 News.